my earliest memory of like wanting to understand a scientific phenomenon was when you like have a drink with a straw in it and you put your finger on top of the straw and you pull the straw out of the water or out of the drink and the liquid stays in the drink. And I remember I was in like fifth or sixth grade. And no, yeah, I was in sixth grade because I remember asking my science teacher about it, and he said, "We have a project coming up where you have to explore something and try to figure out how it works." And he goes, "I want that to be your project." And so I remember appreciating that teacher saw that I was interested in it and then said, "I want you to really explore it." And it became part of like the course. And because it brought up, it brought into the idea that there's this thing, air, and the idea of air pressure that affects everyday things, but you can't see it. And I remember feeling like, oh my God, like what else can't we see?
Yeah. Yep.
So
Oh, that's great. Yeah.
that was one of my earliest like science memories. And then when I was in middle school, I remember being in classes where we were starting to do dissections. And I remember thinking that that was really cool. Because even though I was more of a physical sciences person, I was very fascinated to see how I was also very interested in design and just seeing how the body, I don't want to say is designed because I don't want it to come off like the body was designed, but like to see like how the body is formed and like
Yeah.
how everything interconnects with each other. And it's sort of like, designed by nature, basically.